Think social media won't tell you about Barcelona. If you're looking for cool things to do beyond the typical, picture yourself in a vibrant kitchen in Barcelona, not just learning to cook, but helping create change. I heard this on the ExperienceFirst website. This is the Barcelona cooking class for social good. You may have heard of Mezcladís, that cozy cafe that feels like community. They train people, especially migrants, refugees, and those at risk of exclusion, in cooking, giving them real opportunities to start new lives through food. So if you're in Barcelona, love food, and want to join, this one is a bridge between travelers and locals. Your participation supports a non-profit that trains marginalized individuals for hospitality careers. You'll learn how to make authentic Catalan recipes from a local chef, fresh gazpacho, traditional paella, and the dreamy Catalan cream. So it's an amazing experience for solo foodies, couples, families, or friends who want to connect beyond the usual tours. Join us in Barcelona, cook with heart, and help put dignity, opportunity, and food on the same plate.